Hello everyone, this is Rhonda of Virtu for You Creative, and this video is about Canva's new visual content feature, which is called Canva Docs. And what Canva Docs is it is a visual first document creator that allows you to design documents with videos, images, graphics, charts, and graphs, and also other visuals. So here's the home screen, and here is where you choose docs to create a Canva doc, and this is what it'll look like when you create it. And as you see here, this is sort of a blank canvas. It has this quote up here by Gandhi, and I'm just going to type that quote to show you how to, create a Canva doc. So I'm going to add quotations. Then I'm going to skip that line and write okay. So I'm going to go over here to elements and find some type of illustration. Better yet, a graphic to place under this quote. So I'm just going to choose one of these world icons or globe icons. Let me see which one. I think a nice one to choose is called Animated Friendship. Day has identity. Unity has unity sticker globe. So let's see how that works. Here's another one with hands wrapped around the globe. But let's try this one, see what it does. That's a sticker. Okay. So there it is there. And you have your Canva doc. Now you can convert your Canva doc into a presentation. So let's convert this into a presentation. So I'm not sure if y'all could see above this the screen, but up in the upper right hand corner they have this little icon that says convert, and it has like a little square with a presentation inside where you can convert it to a presentation, excuse me. And so this is the screen that pops up, and this how the document will look in presentation form. And it has different designs of it. So I like that first design. I also like the second one too. So I'll choose the first one. As you see, the little purple block is around the first one. If you want to choose that, or if I want to choose another, I would click on another one like that. So maybe I'll choose this one. or maybe I'll choose this one, or maybe I'll choose this. It's there. I kind of like all the designs, but I'll just choose the first one. So this how it will look as a presentation. It's only one screen. Let's see if I can move this icon over a little bit, because it's like in the way, you know, the words are kind of overlapping the icon. So I'm gonna move that over. So there it is. That look better. So that's how Canva docs work. It's very simple. I moved that over a little too far. Let me move it back over. Doesn't want to move where it's moving now. Okay. Yeah, okay. So this is how a Canva doc will look in a presentation form. So here's the document right here. I'm gonna close that out. Here's the document right here, and then I'm gonna move my screen up. And as you can see, this is what you click on convert to convert it to this. So that's it on how to, what Canva docs are and how to create a Canva doc. And that is it. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And let's discuss, have you tried out this new feature? How do you like it? Let's discuss that in the comments. And I'm liking this. This is very neat and a fun feature to use. I would be using this a lot. So yeah, so if you like this video, like it, share it out. If you love the content on this channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell symbol for alerts. And that is it. And I will talk to you all soon.